At ito, wag sana gamitin na rason para gumawa ng isa pang tulay.
Isa pang tulay para sa mga tatawid mula Samar papuntang Leyte, nasa plano pala na gawin.
Declare na ng state of emergency sa Tacloban.
Tindi talaga ng eleksyon, laki kasi ng talo kaya naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan.
Ako po to be quite frank, medyo nalilito din ako. Because I feel that the public should be given all the information pertaining to the condition of the bridge. Sino bang gumawa ng study na to?
Kailangan pa ba itanong yan? Wala pa eleksyon nakaplano na talaga pagkakitaan yung tulay. Kita nyo naman, di pa nade-declare ang sira. Pero bilyones na pinag-uusapan. Ano yun? Para sa bulsa pa lang ba ng administrasyon? Tiba-tiba na naman si Speaker.
Dahil dyan, ay maraming spekulasyon tuloy na there is something going on that hindi ka nais-nais, like corruption. I feel it is the duty of the national government to inform the public and tell them exactly who made the study, what the study says exactly, anong extent ng damage.
Sobra talaga laki ng damage. Halos wala kasi makalusot sa mga kandidato ng administrasyon tapos ang laki ng nuggets nila, kaya nagbabawi.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi na dapat itigil muna yung paggawa ng RORO or alternative ways of crossing the San Juanico Strait. Tuloy pa rin yun. It is an emergency. It's needed badly. But I feel experts should be called in, if they were not called in earlier, to look into that bridge and to see magkano ba talaga at gaano katagal nila gagawin yan. At kung may sira ba talaga.
Malamang bulsa ng politiko ang nasira. Pero yung sa tulay, parang 5,500 na flood control, hinahanap pa.
Ang lumalabas unang estimate ay pumapalo ng 800 million. Ngayon, pumapalo daw ng 7 billion. Malaking amount yun. That is a very big amount. And even if you spend 7 billion, a feasibility study, a project study, a careful analysis should have been made. At ito, wag sana gamitin na rason para gumawa ng isa pang tulay. Kasi, kailangan talaga natin ng isa pang tulay. This is the main artery from Mindanao to Luzon and vice versa. And you need definitely at least 2 bridges here in order to make it sustainable at the same time, some sort of economic security naman para sa may iba-ibang regions. Kaya ako yung nananawagan, dapat i-clarify ng mabuti itong issue na to. Dahil ako po, nung congressman ako, naalala ko that bridge was repaired, but a study was shown. It was done by a Japanese company. I think it was Sumitomo during that time. And I think we need experts really to look into this. I think if we do that, mapapabilis, baka mapamura pa yung pag-ayos nitong tulay na to. Yun po. At kung nagawa na po yun, dapat isiwalat at ipakita sa publiko yun para naman mawala itong mga speculation at mga haka-haka.